Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about some amazing things which you don't know about yet. So let's start the video. India's first president only took 50% of his salary. When Dr. Rajendra Prasad was appointed the president of India, he only took 50% of his salary, claiming he did not require more than that. Towards the end of his 12-year tenure, he only took 20% of his salary. The salary of the president was rupees 10,000 back then. India is the largest democracy in the world, the seventh largest country in the world, and one of the most ancient civilization. Diamonds, जो कि दुनिया की सबसे ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव स्टोन्स में से एक है, सबसे पहले इंडिया में माइनिंग हुई थी. In 17th century, Golconda region of southern India. Until 1896, India was the only source of diamond in the whole world. Bhaskar Acharya rightly calculated the time taken by the Earth to orbit the Sun hundreds of years before the astronomers did. According to his calculation, the time taken by the Earth to orbit the Sun was 365.258756484 days. The development of USB begins in 1994. Camping IBM, DEC, Intel, Microsoft, NEC, and Nortel joined hands together for the development of USB. And this Indian-American guy named Ajay Bhatt, computer architect, co-invented USB in 1995. Anti-gravity hills near Leh Ladakh, also known as magnetic hills, उस एरिया के लेआउट और सराउंडिंग के स्लोप ऑप्टिकल इल्यूजन क्रिएट करते हैं. एक्चुअली में वहाँ के हिल्स नीचे जाते हैं, पर ऑप्टिकल इल्यूजन की वजह से वो ऊपर जाते हुए दिखाई देते हैं. एंड लद्दाख इज ऑल्सो द हाईएस्ट मोटरेबल रोड इन द वर्ल्ड. Chess was invented in India. It is claimed that the game of chess originated in India. One of the most fascinating facts about India, the game of chess can be dated back some 1500 years ago. The Khasi people of northern eastern India are the matrilineal society, and some mans aren't happy. The Khasi, who numbers about 1 million in India's northern eastern state of Meghalaya, carry on the matrilineal tradition where male demands for the equality. India is a huge country, और गूगल के हिसाब से इंडिया में 3 लाख से भी ज़्यादा मस्जिदें हैं, पर हिंदू एग्जिस्टेंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के हिसाब से 4 लाख मस्जिदें हैं इंडिया में. Samosa is not an Indian dish. Originated in Middle East and Central Asia, then it spread to Africa, Southwest Asia, South Asia. Samosa was found in 9th century poem by Persian poet Ishaq al-Mosli, and the recipe for the dish are found in 13th century Arab cookery books. India has been the largest troop contributor to the United Nations in peacekeeping mission. Roopkund, also known as Mystery Lake and Skeleton Lake, situated in Uttarakhand, it lies in the lap of Trishul Massif, located in Himalayas, and the area surrounded the lake is uninhabited. इंडिया ने सबसे पहले शुगर का प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट किया था. By the process of pressuring sugar cane to extend juice and boiled it to get crystal, between 1500 to 500 BC, They manufacturing sugar from sugarcane in Bengal region.